Look out, Tori.
He's gonna go down again.
Watch yourself, Ken.
Look at him. He looks like he's wearing a mask.
Look out, Tor. Stay by the tree.
Whoa. I think I'm gonna let him out.
Okay.
You gotta take that rope off him. But I wouldn't take his halter off if I were you.
You want to try this? He's rolling. Please. I just don't want him to. Hey, I have an idea. Let's get the ball.
No. Hi, bud. You having fun?
That was awesome. Reggie, do you want to keep going into the